Hello friends, family, and beauty pageant contestants. My name is Leah and today we got some yarn mail. This is from Creatively, oh my gosh, Creatively, oh my gosh, Creatively Altered. There we go. I got it that time. They have mystery bags, and normally I'm not a person that gets mystery bags, mainly for the reason I like to know what I get, but my friend Sarah Beth and a few other TikTok crochet content creators was getting this bag, and they were getting some really good stuff, like really good. Like I think in Sarah Beth's, you're gonna have to look at her TikTok. She got like almost all alpaca, which is my favorite yarn to get, and we ordered ours really close together. Like literally, she placed her order, told me about it, and I placed my order. So hopefully we get that as well. Before we open the bag and see what's inside this mystery bag, if you like crochet and yarn content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also like these videos if you like stuff like this so I know to post more of it. Also comment down below. Have you ever heard of Creatively Altered? And let me know which one of these yarns in here was your favorite. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I go live or post new content. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, maybe I can just... Okay, I see something. All right. We're gonna look at it together. Okay, let's see. All right. Ooh, okay. Okay, so we have some Malabrigo Anniversario. Y'all know I love Malabrigo. If you don't know that, I love some Malabrigo. Okay, Malabrigo Rio. No, yeah, this is the Rio, right? Yeah, I already know. I already know what this is. Malabrigo Rios. And it's in the color Anniversario, I think that's called. But I love it. Look at it. Ooh. And this looks like a worsted weight. It is pure merino superwash, 210 yards. And yeah, I think this is a worsted. We love Malabrigo. We love Malabrigo. Look at those. Ooh, so nice. All right. Okay, into it. And just looking at these colors alone, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy. Okay, so this first one is Cascade Yarn North Shore. This is in the color O2. There's no like color name. And this is 100% acrylic. It's really nice. It's soft. I almost thought it was cotton. 220 yards. Yeah, I've never heard of this yarn before, but it's nice. It's soft. It does have hair on it. But yeah, I like this color. Y'all know I love colors like this, so I like that. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Angora, stop, by Plymouth Yarn. I love Plymouth Yarn. We got some Angora. I've never had Angora before. This is 100% Angora yarn. I've never had this yarn before. Okay, so also the price says $6.49. This one says $6.99. This is a very small ball of yarn. What would I make with something this small? Oh my goodness. Made in Italy. Color 3000. It's approximately 49 yards. Oh my goodness. I've never had Angora before, and it's so soft. That is so crazy. I've never had Angora before. Okay, so already I feel like it's a pretty good bag. Ooh, it's very soft. Okay, we have another, oh, we got alpaca. We got another Cascade Yarns Baby Alpaca Chunky. Oh my goodness. And this is $18.99. right? Oh my goodness. Y'all know I love alpaca. This is in the color 641, made in Peru. It's 100% baby alpaca. It is 108 yards and 100 grams. Oh, that's just gorgeous. I love this color. I think it's already worth it. I paid $25 for this bag. She has 3 options. You can do all acrylic, all natural fibers, or a mix. And that's what I got. I got the mix. And I am very happily, I love this. I am happy right now. For a mystery bag, I like this mystery. Next up, this is a big, okay. This one is $11.99, Old Dominion collection. Okay. It is, where is this from? Satari. Oh, in Virginia. Okay. Okay. I'm from Virginia. I actually went to Old Dominion University. Satari Sheep and Wool Company in Churchville, Virginia. I'm gonna have to look them up. Called the Old Dominion Collection. It's 100% Virginian cotton. Maybe that's why she maybe that's why she sent this one to me, because it's from Virginia. It's in the color peanut brown. It is a kettle dyed. Never had kettle dyed. It's a gorgeous color. It literally matches this sweater that I have. And it's a 3-ply DK weight. So this is what that looks like. This is gorgeous. Now it is a little bit rough. It's a little rough. What would I make with this? And this one was I think I said it, $11.99. Okay. That's interesting. That's really interesting. Okay, I've never heard of this company before. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. That's really cool. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Okay. And for the last yarn is another Cascade yarns. This is the Veneza Sport. And this was 12. So I definitely think that I've already got my money's worth. And this is soft. Oh my goodness. This is merino silk. Oh, this is such a good bag. Oh my god, this is such a good bag. This is 70% merino wool and 30% mulberry silk. It's 307 yards. And yes, oh my, it is so soft. Now, these aren't normally colors that I would go for, and this looks like a DK weight yarn. That's what it looks like. I normally wouldn't, go for something like this, like the colors, but this is gorgeous. Okay. Let's see. Thank you for your order. Enjoy the soft, squishy yarn goodness from Christine. Thank you so much. This is definitely a lot of nice yarn goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Such a sweet letter. We also got, what is this? Double pointed needle protectors. These are so cute. These are so cute. I've never seen these before. I don't knit, but maybe I can use these for my Tunisian crochet. And then I got a card. Here we go. That is her business, creatively altered. Find your sparkle. Yeah, go ahead and check her out. I'll link below this mystery bag. This was a really good mystery bag. Really good. Really good. Let's talk about these. This is a really good bag. Now, this yarn was not part of the mystery bag. I really wanted this. And it sold out everywhere else online. But you can't go wrong with this. You really can't. It's such a gorgeous color. For all of these yarns, let's talk about my favorite one. It's gonna be this one. This is so nice. I don't know. I feel like everybody loves a good alpaca, and I think this will make a beautiful hat or cowl. Probably only enough in here for a hat, but this is so soft. I love baby alpaca. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, but yeah, this one is my favorite one. Okay, this is number 1. Number 2, I think is gonna have to be the Angora. I've never had Angora, but I don't know what I would do with this little donut. And this color is really different too. Very different. I don't know what I would do. Somebody tell me down below in the comments, what would I do with 49 yards of Angora in this color? Could I mix this with like mohair? I think I have some mohair somewhere. Or maybe like, I don't know, but this is so cute that I want to use it. This can't sit. This one cannot sit. It can't sit. Somebody tell me what I can do with this one. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like crochet and yarn content, make sure you subscribe. Also, like this video so more crafty crocheters like yourselves can find me in the algorithm. Also, comment down below which one of these yarns was your favorite. I really want to know. I really want to know. And because y'all know this one's my favorite. That was so nice. I love the color. I love baby alpaca. It's literally my favorite yarn. Literally my favorite. This one and this one, so cool. And also make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I post new content or go live. That's gonna be it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.